Alright, so welcome back. So I'll be showing you guys how to install fonts on your PC. Now, one thing you should know about fonts. Uh, some people ask, how do I get fonts into Photoshop? Well, there are two ways to get fonts installed on your machine. You can use Adobe Fonts if you have paid a premium subscription where the fonts will be automatically loaded onto your fonts list. But in this case, we don't have an Adobe subscription, so we'll have to download the fonts from various sites. To download, just search for the font online and you attach a download search to it, and you will be sent you'll be directed to a link where you will download the fonts you wish. And once it's downloaded, some might be extracted, others not. You can extract the font, and we'll see how to install it here. Now, one thing you should notice, when you are installing fonts this way, the fonts go directly into your system, into your machine, so you can use the fonts, well, be it in Illustrator, Photoshop, or Microsoft Word, any software which uses fonts. So these fonts are automatically installed onto your system. Now let me show you a quick tip on how you can install these fonts. So here I have Montserrat. These are the different variables of typefaces of Montserrat. We have the black, bold, and one thing you should notice is this is a single font with different typefaces. So we need to install each font, so the different variations of the font will load up on our font list. It's a must to install all the variations. So yeah, I have bold and all the rest. You double click, we have the install interface, you hit on install. Well, I've already installed it, so this video is for the purpose of showing you how to do it. You click on install. Yeah, it says I already have it, so I will just close it. Once it's done installing, you need to make sure no Adobe Photoshop is not open, so that this font will appear on your font list. So you need to make sure Adobe Photoshop is closed. Now once you are finished, you are done installing it, you can it loads up onto Adobe Photoshop and you can use it. I already have it here because I'm from using it, so we just have to go to M, Montserrat. Yeah, here's it. I have my font. Cool. So this is basically how to install the fonts. Thank you so much for following up.